Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Makita Combo Kit is probably one of the most versatile tool collections you can own. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a weekend warrior, having a reliable set of cordless tools can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Makita Combo Kit, exploring its features, performance, and value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your projects. Number 5. Makita XT614SX118V Cordless 6PC Combo Kit. This driver drill has two speeds, reaching up to 1,900 revolutions per minute. It delivers up to 480 inches. Pounds of max torque, making it perfect for tough jobs. The driver drill is only 7 to 14 inches long and weighs just 3.3 pounds, with the battery. This compact design helps reduce operator fatigue, allowing you to work longer and more comfortably. The variable speed impact driver provides up to 1,460 inches. Pounds of max torque. It's ideal for a wide range of fastening applications, making your work efficient. The 6 to 12-inch circular saw delivers 3,700 revolutions per minute for faster cutting. It's great for ripping through wood, and it only weighs 7.3 pounds, with the battery. The Recipro saw provides 0 to 3,000 SPM and features toolless blade changes. It weighs only 3.9 pounds, with the battery, making it easy to handle. What we like. This kit features a compact design, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. It also delivers high torque for demanding applications, and the circular saw offers fast cutting. If you are working in confined areas or need a versatile kit for various tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. The drill and impact driver are incredibly powerful and can handle even the toughest jobs with ease. The circular saw cuts through wood like butter, and the reciprocating saw is perfect for demolition work. The kit also comes with a powerful flashlight, which has been a lifesaver during power outages and late-night work sessions. Number 4. Makita XT328M18V Cordless Combo Kit. This kit includes a variable 2-speed 1-2 hammer driver drill. It delivers a max torque of 530 Nm. And weighs only 4.2 pounds, with the battery. This makes the tool powerful yet easy to handle. Also included is a variable speed impact driver. It provides 1,500 Nm of max torque. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, with the battery, it's designed for efficient performance. The kit features a Recipro saw with variable speeds. It offers a 1 to 1/4 stroke length for faster cutting. This tool is designed to make your cutting tasks easier. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes. This allows the motor to run cooler and more efficiently. This design extends the tool's life. The efficient BL brushless motor optimizes battery energy use. It provides up to 50% longer run time per charge. This ensures you can work longer without interruptions. What we like. This kit boasts a brushless motor, which ensures longer run times and more efficient performance. The motor's design allows it to run cooler and last longer. If you are a professional or a serious DIYer who values efficiency and extended use, you should choose this kit. What people say. The impact driver is compact and powerful. The drill has plenty of power for most tasks. The batteries charge quickly and last a reasonable amount of time. Number 3. Makita XT61018V 6-piece Combo Kit. This combo kit is a powerhouse of tools. It's designed to tackle a wide range of tasks, making your work easier and more efficient. The 2-speed hammer driver drill features a Makita-built 4-pole motor. It delivers impressive torque while remaining lightweight, making it easy to handle. The impact driver provides high torque for various fastening applications. It ensures quick and effective results, saving you time and effort. The 6 to 12-inch circular saw offers a high RPM for fast cutting. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, providing clean and accurate cuts. The Recipro saw offers a toolless blade change. It's perfect for demolition and cutting through different materials. The cutoff angle grinder features automatic speed change technology. It adjusts speed and torque for optimal performance, ensuring efficient operation. The kit comes with two 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries and a rapid charger. It also includes a variety of essential tools, all packed in a convenient bag. What we like. This kit features a 4-pole motor, delivering robust power for various tasks. It includes a range of tools, making it suitable for diverse projects. If you need a comprehensive set of tools for both home improvement and professional work, this is the one for you. What people say. The impact driver is compact and powerful. The drill is also compact and has plenty of power. The batteries charge quickly and last a long time. Number 2. Makita XT510SM18V Cordless 5PC Combo Kit. This driver drill offers 2 speeds, delivering up to 480 Nm of max torque. It's compact and lightweight, reducing fatigue during extended use. The driver drill is only 7 to 14 inches long and weighs just 3.3 pounds with the battery. This design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. You'll appreciate the balance and control it provides. The impact driver provides 1460 Nm of max torque. It's perfect for a wide range of fastening tasks. The variable speed settings give you the control you need. The 6 to 12-inch circular saw delivers 3,700 revolutions per minute for fast cutting. It's ideal for ripping through wood. Weighing only 7.3 pounds with the battery, it's easy to handle. The recipe saw provides 0 to 3000 SPM and features toolless blade change. It's designed for quick and easy blade changes. At only 3.9 pounds with the battery, it's easy to manage. What we like. This kit features a compact design, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. It also delivers high torque for demanding applications, and the circular saw offers fast cutting. If you are working in confined areas or need a versatile kit for various tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. Very heavy construction compared to light Porter cable that my dad has. Always impressed with trigger switches and how smoothly progressive their ramp-up is. The bag is even high-quality baggage, has a pull-out handle and wheels for airport. Number 1. Makita XT616PT18V Cordless 6PC Combo Kit. This kit features a powerful brushless motor, designed for efficiency. It optimizes battery energy use, providing longer run times on a single charge. The brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, which allows it to run cooler and more efficiently. This extends the tool's lifespan and improves overall performance. The motor efficiently uses energy, adjusting torque and RPM to match the demands of the job. This ensures optimal performance across various applications. The 1-2 hammer driver drill offers variable 2-speed settings and delivers up to 1,250 Nm of max torque. Despite its power, it weighs only 6.0 pounds with the battery. The impact driver includes a 3-speed power selection switch and delivers up to 1,550 Nm of max torque. It's lightweight at only 3.3 pounds with the battery, making it easy to handle. What we like. This kit features an efficient brushless motor for extended run times and a 3-speed impact driver for versatile fastening. The high torque output ensures it can handle tough jobs. If you are looking for a kit that combines power, efficiency, and adaptability, you should choose this one. What people say. The impact driver is compact and powerful. The drill has plenty of power for most tasks. The batteries last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.